Yo! What's up mga lods? So, dumating yung remaining orders namin kay Ginger.
Yeah. Look at my,
So,
look at my new dance.
let's open it together, okay?
Look at my new dance.
What kind of dance is that? Come on, let's take it! Here's our order to Ginger. So I think
What is the other one?
I think for the nails and the shampoo for Ginger.
Nails and shampoo.
Yeah, come on, let's open it. So guys, hawak na ni Riley yung order namin para kay Ginger. So you will open it and show it to them, okay?
Yes.
Let's find out.
Yes. This one.
Hi Ginger, you have another order for you.
Yes, this one.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What is that? Help. Oh! Whoa! It's for Ginger's nail.
Yeah, but how do you
Yeah.
use it?
It's like this. Oh, you cut my nails niya like this.
I know.
Like this. We will cut the nail like that. See? See? It's cutting the nail.
Can I?
Oops, dangerous for kid. Also, yan, para hindi sharp yung nail niya. And then this one.
Shampoo.
Can we see? 1, 2, 3. Pull it. It's so hard.
It's so hot. Wrap it all around. What?
What is this? What?
Shampoo for her?
Yeah, a shampoo for Ginger. Ginger, look. This your shampoo. Look at this, girl.
And look, he said, look at.
Yeah, sabi niya, bango. Bango, daddy. Sabi niya. This for you and we will cut your nails.
Oh my god.